Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a WordPress website with free domain and hosting. And if you want to take your site design to the next level, you can try Divi at a great price using the link in the description. Let's start with the basics. To create a website without spending money, you need two things, a domain and hosting. A domain is the address people type into their browser to reach your site, like example.com. Hosting is the service that stores your website files and makes them accessible online. Normally you pay for both, but there are services that provide free versions. Platforms like WordPress.com, Infinity Free, and Zero Web Host let you create an account and get started right away. Instead of a custom domain, you'll often receive a subdomain, something like yoursite.wordpress.com or yoursite.000webhostap.com. It's not as polished as having your own domain, but it's perfect for practicing or testing your ideas. Once you've signed up and created your account, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. This is the control panel for your site. From here, you can manage everything: pages, posts, design, and plugins. The first thing I recommend is setting up a few core pages. Go to the Pages section, click Add New, and create your home, about, services, and contact pages. These will give your site a solid structure. Next, it's time to pick a theme. WordPress includes a large library of free themes. To explore them, go to Appearance, then Themes, and click Add New. You'll see hundreds of free designs that you can preview and activate with one click. For a basic setup, choose something clean and simple so you can focus on your content. Once your theme is active, you can start editing your pages. The default WordPress block editor allows you to insert text, headings, images, galleries, and buttons. It's simple and works well for building a small site. You can drag blocks around, adjust alignment, and change colors and fonts. Spend some time adding content to each page so visitors know what your site is about. Now let's talk about design flexibility. Free hosting and free themes are fine for starting out, but they have limits. You may find it hard to create custom layouts or professional designs without upgrading. This is where Divi comes in. When you are ready to move to paid hosting, Divi gives you a full visual builder that works directly on the page. Instead of being restricted by your theme, you can build anything you imagine. Want a custom hero section with a background image, text, and a call to action button? You can do it in minutes. Need a pricing table, testimonials, or a gallery? Divi has dedicated modules for all of these. Divi also includes hundreds of pre-made layouts. These are full-page designs created by professionals that you can load instantly and customize to match your brand. Whether you are creating a portfolio, a business website, or an online store with WooCommerce, Divi has layouts ready to go. This saves you hours of work and makes your site look polished right away. Another advantage of Divi is responsiveness. With today's web traffic, a large percentage of visitors come from mobile devices. Divi lets you design separately for desktop, tablet, and phone, so your site always looks perfect. Free themes try to handle this automatically, but Divi gives you full control. Divi also includes hundreds of pre-made layouts. These are full-page designs created by professionals that you can load instantly and customize to match your brand. Whether you are creating a portfolio, a business website, or an online store with WooCommerce, Divi has layouts ready to go. This saves you hours of work and makes your site look polished right away. Another advantage of Divi is responsiveness. With today's web traffic, a large percentage of visitors come from mobile devices. Divi lets you design separately for desktop, tablet, and phone, so your site always looks perfect. Free themes try to handle this automatically, but Divi gives you full control. So here's the idea. Start with free hosting and a free domain to get comfortable with WordPress. Practice creating pages, adding content, and exploring themes. Once you are ready to grow and need more design freedom, move to paid hosting and install Divi. This gives you everything you need to take your site to a professional level. That's how you make a WordPress website with free domain and hosting. It's a great way to learn without spending anything, and when the time comes to scale up, Divi is the perfect solution. If you want to try Divi at a great price, remember to use the link in the description.